What's up YouTube? It's Serena and I am back, and I'm actually uploading a re-upload from another channel that I had that I lost access to. It is back from 2019, so if you've seen it before, welcome back, and if not, I hope you enjoy. It's a simple cook with me video with salmon croquettes, brown sugar corn, and homemade mashed potatoes. I'm going to let Serena take over, and I hope you enjoy.
Here is the ingredient list. I did forget some things and here we go. I went ahead and just popped them on the screen. It's about 8 or 9 ingredients in total. So first, the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is wash our hands. You know, COVID, yes, they said we can take our masks off, but that did not mean we do not have to wash our hands, and you want to wash them thoroughly, and you know, get underneath all of them nails. It'd be gross under there. Get it. From here, we're going to go ahead and start by opening up the pink salmon. And then we're back at the sink. From here, we're going to go ahead and drain the water off. And you really should not do this with your nails or fingers. that is pretty sharp, so just be careful with that. I would say get a fork or a knife, something like that, just to pop that top off of there. Oh, and also do not forget gloves. I have on fake nails, so I don't really want to get all of that underneath my nails, so I do use gloves. I also recommend that other people use gloves as well. It's just a little bit more sanitary, but you know, no shade if you don't have to. You can take out the bones. Some people do not take out the bones. I don't. Either way, for me, is fine. I do go and take out a good portion of them, but for the most part, you know, some of them may still be in there. Once you have all of the bones, or if you've taken the bones out, if you chose to do so, you'll go ahead and mix everything up. Just get it to a nice consistency where there's no big chunks or anything like that. You want it all to be pretty mashed up. And also, before you want to start any of this, 30 minutes to 45 minutes before, you want to make sure that you do go ahead and put your potatoes on to have them cooked. And this is pretty much how you'll know when they're ready. They'll be busted wide open, busted wide open. And from here, we're going to go ahead and move back to the counter. We're going to grab our 1 egg and go ahead and crack that open and mix that into the bowl. And then from the egg, we're going to go ahead and get the garlic powder. Just that's some extra seasoning. You know, I don't like bland. Nope, no bland over here. And this is, you're going to see this a lot. Lori's, yes, if you don't know it, get to know it. We're going to use this a lot. I'm sorry, you may say it's not healthy, but it is delicious. Yes, it makes you need it. Go get it. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and add in some breadcrumbs. I believe that is what, 1/4. Yeah, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. I believe it's going to be 2 cups, right? Let me see. I don't even remember what I did. There are 2 cups. It's going to be 2 cups of the 1/4 of breadcrumbs. You're going to mix that in there. And you're going to just mix everything up very, very well. Get it mixed up very nice and to a very good consistency. It should stick together and make like a patty. That's the goal. As you can see, it's a little flaky, but it's, you know, for the most part, it sticks together. And then I use that same scooper, and then from there, we're going to go ahead and make out the patties. We're going to go ahead and grab the fish breading seasoning. We're going to actually pour that on a separate plate. And we're just going to take that patty and just roll it around in that seasoning powder. I wish I would have got that more on camera, but it's a struggle sometimes. So we're gonna go ahead and make a few of those patties. And yes, as you can see, I am watching Cynthia G in the background. She's a movement. get to it. All right, so from here, I believe I'm gonna have around 6 patties, and I'm of course taking another drink. So we have 6 patties in total, and again, I just made sure I rolled them in that fish powder seasoning. And please forgive the air fryer. Oh my God! Yeah, I need to clean it. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. We get to air frying it up in this house. I'm sorry. So we're gonna go ahead and set the air fryer to 370, and I'm gonna preheat it and just let it warm up for about 10 minutes. I don't know if you need to do that. That's just what I like to do, just to make sure it's nice and hot. From here, we're gonna go ahead and take the potatoes. We're gonna peel them and get ready to mash them. Is it mush or mash? What do you guys say? Comment below, mush or mash? Mash. I guess it is called mashed potatoes, right? Potatoes. Alright, I don't mind leaving some of the skin on. So, and I got tired of peeling, honestly. I got a little lazy. So, so we're going to go ahead and mash them up really good. This is a preference if you want it to be nice and smooth, or if you don't mind it to be a little lumpy. Mashed potatoes, it can go either way for me. I don't care. I just love mashed potatoes. And yep, I think I forgot another ingredient. We're going to go ahead and add a little bit of milk to that. I'm going to put the entire ingredient list at the bottom, so that way I'll know what it is. From here, we're going to go ahead and start mixing everything up, and we're going to move it to the stove. I'm going to add a little bit more milk, just so I don't want it to burn while it's on the stove. And don't be hating on my little ghetto pots. I cook in my house, so they get used. Okay? And again, going in with some of that garlic powder, some more Lawry seasoning. We're gonna take some butter. I would say, yeah, I don't know what size this is, but whatever that equates to. Was that a tablespoon? You know, it's got the lines on there, so just cut it where the lines is on the butter. Mix that in there with the butter and a little bit more milk. And from here, we're gonna go ahead and just let it start cooking after you get it mixed up. Now from here, we're going to go ahead and grab our canned corn, get that opened up, and we're going to pour that into the can. Make sure you still stir those potatoes as well, because those should still be on. And the air fryer should be nice and warm. We're going to go ahead and put in the patties. So you're going to set it at 390 degrees, and you're going to put it at 8 minutes each. We're going to actually end up flipping them. From here, we're going to go ahead and move back to the stove. Sprinkle a little bit of sea salt into those mashed potatoes. And I like to do something a little different with my corn, and I put brown sugar inside of it. And then of course you want to go in and make sure you are stirring those mashed potatoes as well. Go ahead and drop a little bit of butter into the corn and let that cook down as well. For the mashed potatoes, again, if you want it smooth, you want to make sure that you are mashing everything completely, and if you do not want the skin in there, you want to remove that completely as well. And from here, the patties should be done. Again, you want to let them cook on one side for 8 minutes, spray them, and then flip them for another 8 minutes on 390 degrees. And here we go. They should come out like this. it shouldn't take too long for everything else to finish up cooking after that. And here we go, we have the finished product. Again, this is my first tutorial, y'all, so bear with me. Bear with me, okay? I hope you enjoyed. Bye.